we already did the let me see this one, the AC compressor. So now we're gonna do we're taking this out. Taking it in and out, in and out. Did I give it to you, the other bolt? Yeah. Hold them, okay? Hold them, okay? Okay. Give me the third. Give me the third one. The third bolt. Thank you. Thank you. Now we're going to put this in because I didn't put it in before.
Do you need WD-40?
Yes, put WD-40 on this. Yes, for the bottom one. Yes, let me see. Where is it? That's this
Right
one.
there. Yeah.
Now I get to put WD-40 nicely on all of them, and then I got my bolt. Okay, now we work. Okay, now this one goes right here. This goes right there. This goes right here, and it doesn't have to be tied up like crazy, but it's there. Okay, now. Oh no! I can't even do that. I can't even mount it on yet. I mounted in, but I cannot do that yet because I gotta make sure I put my tool in between this ball right here. Let me see. My short one. My short thing. Short.
It should be there with you.
Should be there with me.
Yep. Because it was underneath it.
Under what?
To hold the one that you pull out.
Oh yeah. It is under.
Okay.
It is under. Thank you. Look at. Oh yeah. But I got it. Now I gotta flip it over now.
Okay.
Flip it over now, like this.
Okay. That's to tie it.
Eh?
Tie it up.
Yeah, to tie it up.
Okay.
This is to tie it up now. There. Let me see. It's connected. Well connected. Yes. I let it hang. So I got my tool there. I got this, and I'm not gonna bother with that tool right now. I'm just gonna bother with this. With this the first one up here. Now why is my, it's giving me a little problem over here. Yes, like that. Okay, why is it just like it's pulling so hard? I gotta pull so hard. Okay, no. Okay, now give me the other one. One more right here. Like that. Now this one right here. There. Now I get to do the ratcheting on this one.
On the bottom first.
Yeah, on the bottom first to tie it up. Okay, give me your screwdriver. Those were to align it.
Yeah. Now you gotta do the other one a little bit. Here it is.
No, let me do this a little bit. Give me the pointed one. I think the pointed one is more
Better?
More because it goes point and it's, yeah, there it goes, not a square.
Okay.
Look at it. Yeah. Sometimes you have to move it around. Move your screwdriver around for it to hold it.
Yeah.
Hold the ratchet, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Are you gonna take the other one?
The
yet?
spinning part. Not right now, not right now. You know, a minute, couple seconds. Let me see. Let me get the air.
Okay.
Connect your 10. Connect your 10 so you put the tabs. That one, okay? To this one. Little by little. Up until it touches. Go up until it touches, right? Yeah, there. That one. Up until it touches. There we go. Now we're secure that it's working. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Right there, towards that way. And you put a little pressure.
Yeah.
Towards that way.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. I could feel it. Do a little more up into it touches. Right here.
A little bit more of that?
Yeah, your air. Yeah. Yeah. There. This one too. Up into it touches right here. Good. That's it.
Yeah, we're fine.
Give me the skinny long screwdriver, would you please? The skinny one, very skinny. It was over there somewhere. Very skinny, long, yellow, skinny. Yeah, that one. Yeah, hold it. Let me see, because maybe this one would work a little better, you know? Oh no, it does work better, but it's gotta be precise.
Okay.
So because that one is fat, it will not go all the way to the bottom. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And this one is skinny. It's very precise, but you gotta be very precise on holding it, on where to hold it.
Yeah.
Even my two come out now. Yeah, that's because I have enough room now over there. Give me the 13 with the short 13 with an echo. I see the 13 with the finger right there. 13. Give me your echo in extension. Yeah, you got it. The same thing as we had before. Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. Get your tool right there. You suck it right there. Give me my nickel. Yeah, give me that. Yeah, yeah. Get your tool right there. Gently, like that, and to touch it. Only into touches. We don't want it to. We don't want it to tighten. There. That's it. There you go. That's it. And then the rest by hand. But look at what you did. Was almost perfect enough.
Okay.
You see that?
Yes.
Yeah. And we were not supposed to do it all the way because we still got the plastic to put on. But it's okay to hold it, you know?
Yeah.
It's okay for right now to hold it.
Okay.
Okay, let me borrow your blue one. Your blue one. No. You big long one, long blue. Your long, very blue one. Your long screw, long, the hugest one. Yeah, that one.
Oh, it to me looks green.
Blue. Oh, green? Blue, green. Yeah. Oh, huge. The hugest one. Oh, mother. This is a little problem over here because okay, let me borrow the long 10. The long 10. Oh, no. The long 10 with no ratchet. 10 with no ratchet. The long 10 with no ratchet. I see it right there. The long 10 with no ratchet. Right there. No, right there. No, the flat 10 with no ratchet. Yeah. Yeah, that one with no ratchet. This is ratchet. This got the ratchet in part. It's okay. Though.
Okay.
Yeah. We're
Yeah, don't know.
No, we're working. Yeah. And then I get so. Why do I get so stressed? Because either way, if I would do it myself, I cannot find my tools. So I got this one done, that one done.
Okay.
Okay, now. Let me see my ratchet. Get my ratchet ready. Oh, it's right here by your foot, in front of your foot. Yeah, right there. Yeah, there you go. Give me the hand ratchet. The hand ratchet.
Now I know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
I never said that before. First time.
Yeah, first time.
Yep.
Yeah, but that happens. Yeah, that happens.
I find you another one. I find you another one.
Yeah, I got a couple.
I don't know, but I found one like, oh, use another one.
Yeah. Maybe I could do the air over here. Let me see. Maybe we could get away with air. Let me see.
Well, just make sure you put it.
I just
the right
put it
way.
in. Get you air, okay? Get you suck it out. Okay. 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 The thing is, I gotta find. Get into it. There. Oh fuck yes. Yes. I think this is how we did it before, didn't we? Didn't we do it like this before?
I think so.
Yeah. Put your air right there. Right there. I'll hold it right here. I'll hold it right here. Make sure it's tighten. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there's tighten. Yeah. Oh, maybe it's not working. Let me get it out. Let me get it out. Because if it's not working, it's not working. Let me see. Hold this. Okay? Now. Shit, I lost it. Could you see and let me know if I'm hitting it? Because I'm not seeing. I'm trying to calculate how far should I go.
No, I can't.
No. Let me get the long socket. Let me get the long socket with extension. Maybe I could do something. Remember we could not do it. We weren't able to do that because of the slanted part.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Extension? Oh yeah. Oh, that's good.
No, let me see. Yeah, I need the extension. Let me see. Thank you. Oh, the thing, yes.
Can you see it?
No, I cannot see it now. Not to see it now. Believe it or not, it's doing perfect. It's helping. It's helping. Not to tie it up, but it's helping. It's going through and it's going in.
Well, that's good.
Yeah. Mother, could you hand me in? I got it.
Oh, it's right there on there.
Yes. Jesus, Lord. Listen, me. Believe it or not, it's working. Look at it's sliding. It's sliding. Oh, believe it or not.
That's it?
Oh yeah, that's it. By hand. By hand, yeah. But I don't want a chance to break this, you know. Now, let me borrow my nickel. My nickel. Yeah, you got it. And the extension right there too. You got it. Yeah, thank you.
The ratchet too or no?
Eh? And the ratchet, yes. Yeah, the ratchet. Yeah. Let me see. Should I put it right now like this? Let me see. Now this is gonna be a very hard time over here. It's gonna be a hard time over here. Maybe not. Okay. That means it moves a little bit. And we could pick it up.
What happened?
It's making it very hard to move here. And look, when give me the long plane. This was a 13.
Let me see.
Give me a nickel with a 10. I didn't put attention. I wasn't putting attention.
Well, you have one over there. The other one is on your little
Yeah.
hand.
Yeah, give me a nickel. Give me a nickel. No wonder it keeps going and going and sliding. Yeah, okay. Thank you. I wasn't putting attention. I was not putting attention. Oh my Lord.
13.
Yeah.
That is 13 gallon there.
Yeah, I don't know. Well, obviously, we're doing something, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, this one is even more steady.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's because it's less heavy. Yeah. It's jumping. This piece of shit is jumping in.
What, you want the other one?
Yeah, give me another 10. A different 10. It's jumping. It's jumping. Why is it jumping?
No, over here there's no more chances here.
No?
No.
Give me.
13.
There's another one like this. It's smaller one over there in my tools. Give me a 10. Over there, right?
You want this? Which one do you mean to do it? Put it here or take it over there?
Put it over here. Oh shit, maybe I got this one right here. Rule.
Yeah.
Never mind.
Huh?
Never mind.
Okay.
I got it. Oh shit, that one good. This one. It worked. I put my flat one, and it worked. I think that's what I should have done from the beginning. Look it, watch. To take it off,
Mm-hmm. Yes.
there you go, right there.
Mm.
Tuck. Take it off.